Although the traditional construction system may be adequate, a newer, more efficient, stronger, and innovative construction system is available. The panel system. The panel system is a wire space frame constructed similar to a truss with a 45 mm thick expanded polystyrene or EPS core. The faces of the three-dimensional wire frame are made up of smooth welded wire fabrics of 2 mm diameter longitudinal and transverse wires, with welded intersections spaced 50 mm apart in both directions. The wire fabrics are held 75 mm apart by 2.3 mm diameter spreader wires, pierced diagonally through the foam core and welded 50 mm apart on every longitudinal wire on both the wire fabrics in a staggered arrangement, maintaining a clearance of approximately 12 mm between the foam core and the wire fabric. Upon the application of a minimum of 25 mm thick mortar plaster on both surfaces of the panel system, the original materials are transformed into a composite one of the sandwich type with a low-density core between two faces of comparatively higher density. The expanded polystyrene core separates and stabilizes the steel-reinforced concrete faces against buckling under edgewise compression, torsion, or bending. The spreader wire provides the shear strength and the compressive strength, plus the 25 mm thick mortar plaster affords fire protection of 1 hour. The foam core also functions as a thermal barrier as well as an acoustic insulator. A 45 mm thick EPS provides an R value of R10 to R13, which makes the panel system energy efficient. Such composite materials have a variety of structural applications because of its high strength to weight and stiffness to weight ratios. That is why it is structurally superior than the concrete hollow block or CHB system of construction. The panel system can be used for exterior and interior load-bearing walls. A wall panel has superior axial load-bearing capacity, that is, the strength to support vertical loads from the floor or roof above. They can be used to form the entire wall without columns. It has great resistance against shearing, buckling, and bending. These characteristics are important attributes for resisting lateral seismic and wind forces. They can also be applied to framing as non-structural exterior insulated cladding, curtain wall, or as partition. The structural properties of the panel system are beneficial as well in the floor and roof applications. Because of its superior energy performance in roofs, the construction of ceiling is not necessary, and unlike steel-reinforced concrete slabs, the panel system will not require formworks. The horizontal loads imposed on buildings by earthquakes and extreme winds can be effectively resisted by the floor and the roof acting as diaphragms. Construction methods of the panel system are the same as that of the CHB construction. Once the foundation is completed, a panel system shell structure can be completed in a matter of days, saving time and labor. Panels are fastened side by side by wire fabric strips called flat mesh, placed along the middle of the joints on both surfaces of the panels. For corner connections, angle meshes are used. U-meshes are used for the panels and rough openings for doors and windows. All the meshes are tied to the panels by an 18-gauge GI tie wire. Electrical and plumbing rough-ins are easily routed by the coring out of the foam through which the wiring can run. The panel system. Affordable and time-saving prefabricated lightweight panels built on strength.
The panel system is manufactured by Panel Systems Corporation, located at VWL Industrial Complex, Malaria, Tala, Caloocan City, Philippines. For more information, please call 939-5893 or 983-810-6208.